Okay. We're discussing about cross-docking process. All configurations are ready. Let's see execution today. Okay. Here we are discussing. See, so I'd like to show the first test case. That is, when stock is available in GR zone, if sale order comes here, then how to issue stock to the customer directly. This is the one. Okay. Login into SAP. I am creating a purchase order. For this material. Let me take some quantity. Check confirmation control key. Save it. Create VL31N. Nothing need to be changed. Just save it. This is the document number. Coming to EWM. As usual, use the transaction SCWM PRDI S600. Give the document number. And now, where is the stock now? Can anyone answer? In warehouse. Where it is? No answer.
We have to deconsolidate this truck. I think the truck will be at the parking area by now.
Okay. Stock has not received it. This is only the document. This is only the information which comes to warehouse that we are receiving some stock of this material. That's it. We don't have stock. Now, where is the stock now at this moment?
Warehouse.
No, still we have not received stock. Initially, we received information or we received a message from ERP that we are receiving stock, that you could see in inbound delivery notification. This is inbound delivery. With reference to inbound delivery notification, we generated a document because warehouse process could continue the process with reference to this warehouse request number or inbound delivery document number. So we generated a document. We have not received it. Okay. Now complete GR. Now tell me, where is the stock now?
GR zone.
Correct. GR zone. So that you could see here. This is the material and this is the quantity, and it is in GR zone bin. That is GR zone. Now the stock is in GR zone. Okay. The concept of cross docking is when stock is GR zone, if you receive any delivery, if you receive any outbound delivery order, system could pick the material from here instead of into this place. Okay. Let me create a cell order now. /n VA01 let me take 10 units. Save it. Create delivery. Give here shipping point. Save it. Go to change mode. Under picking tab, give here AFS1 only. Okay, let me give here ROD1. So this has created. Actually, you can give AFS also. From SD configurations, how to maintain negative stock should be allowed. Okay. Anyway, come to EWM now. Go to PRDO transaction /n /STWM PRDO. Execute it. So we received a delivery. Right now, the stock is in GR zone. I'm going to create a warehouse document. Click on create. See here, from where it is speaking. From GR zone. So stock is moving from GR zone to GI zone. From GR zone to GI zone. This is called cross docking. That's it. Now, based on this scenario, we will discuss few points. Let's continue the process. Open warehouse order, picking from GR zone to GI zone. Confirm it. Complete PCI as well. Goods issue. You can see goods issue also completed. Okay. This is generic cross-docking process. But while you are into the project, particularly when you are in support team, user will ask you several questions. Okay. In this scenario, stock is available only in GR zone and not available in storage type. Correct? I have not maintained any stock. Just I generated a material document. So material document means with reference to warehouse document with reference to notification. That's it. So we received 10 units here and sale order also raised for 10 units. Since stock is only in GR zone, you may feel or user may feel this is picking from GR zone. Suppose stock is here in storage type as well. Will it pick from GR zone or not? Okay. Scenario 2. Let me maintain stock in storage type. Madam is absent today. Let me create purchase order. Hundred units. Save it. I'm creating VL31N. No changes required. Save it. And this is the document. This time I'm maintaining stock in storage type. As usual, use PRDI transaction, execute it, create. Okay, as usual, we'll complete material document process. See, goods receipt is completed. Now the stock is in GR zone and I'm going to do put away directly. I am not uh, keeping this stock in GR zone for cross docking. Okay, just click on create. If you observe, stock is going to storage type 1. Save it and maintain stock at bin. The document will be assigned to user and the user will move stock from GR zone to storage type. Confirmed. So now you have 100 units in storage type. Nothing is here. Nothing is in this place. Okay. Right. You can check stock in stock report as well. See, the stock is in storage type 1. Now where it is. Right. Now, at this moment, suppose you got an order from or you are receiving, you know that you are receiving order from the customer. Okay. You received order from customer or you may receive order from customer. Okay. Two cases I'll show you. Okay. First I'll show you system knows no your warehouse management or inventory management knows that will we miss business. Business will receive order from customer. Management knows it based on their business experience. They may know it. Today we may receive or tomorrow we may receive request from the customer. So what we do? First we'll procure the product and we'll place in GR zone. So in this case, first step, stock will be maintained in GR zone. Okay, so I am creating here a purchase order. For 10 units, maybe this quantity is similar quantity to sale order. Save it. Create notification as well. Save it. This is the notification number and this is the acknowledgement from the supplier. Go to EWM /n/SCWM PRDI. As usual, do the regular process. Execute it. Do GR. GR is completed. Now where is the stock? You can see 10 units in GR zone, 100 units in storage type 1. Okay. So actually we received these 10 units for outbound delivery, for cross docking. Okay. Now, as expected, customer raised a request, that is sale order. For 10 units. So you can assume this scenario. First customer make a call over phone and he is inquired about the product, whether the product is available or not. Our inventory management confirms over phone. Then he raises the request. Who? Customer raises the request to supply the stock. Meanwhile, our inventory management maintains stock in GR zone. You can say save it. At this moment, you have 100 units in storage type, 10 units in GR zone. Okay, these 10 units maintained because of the plan that we receive request from the customer. That's the reason we maintain stock here. We receive stock from the supplier. Okay, sale order. Now create delivery for this. Here I am maintaining AFS only. Save it. This is the document. Come to EWM. Go to PRDO transaction as usual. Give the document number. Execute it. Okay. Now I'm going to create warehouse document. Pick list. Okay. At this moment, warehouse has stock in storage type. Warehouse stock in GR zone also. Click on create. Check from where it is picking. From GR zone. Still we have stock in storage type, but as per business requirement, we are doing cross docking. That is in GR zone. Okay. Fine. Remaining process same. Just go to confirmation.
So here system take the priority first 9010 because of the stock determination configuration.
Good question, but answer is not correct. I'll tell you. I'm coming there. Okay. Now, next question is, okay, here confirmation is done. Complete PGA. Don't keep this in pending while practice. PG also completed. So, if you go to the monitor, if you refresh it, we have stock in storage type 1 only. Okay. For example, we have sufficient stock. Okay. We have sufficient stock and business wants to issue stock from the storage type only. Okay. In this case, when we receive order from the customer, we don't procure the product from the supplier. We don't maintain any stock in GR zone, and from here only we have to issue stock. Now, let me create a sale order now. Okay, save it. Create delivery as well. Save it. This is the document number. Now come to EWM. Is PRDO transaction. Give the document number here. Remember, we have stock only in storage type, not in GR zone. And we maintain this product for cross-docking process. How do we say? In material master /o /scw MAT1. In material master, you mentioned that this product is for cross-docking process. Here you mentioned it. Okay, but did I maintain here? We have created this one. Go to display 950. Yeah. Okay. We mentioned this document, we mentioned this material for cross docking. Okay, but there is no stock in GR zone to do cross docking, and business wants to pick the material from storage type. Now click on create. See from where it is picking. This is from storage type 1. So what you have to understand here, so even though you maintained this product for cross docking, whenever it is required you can use cross docking. The other way you can pick the product from standard storage type as well. So this product can pick from standard storage type. This product can pick from or can process cross docking also. Only this product. The remaining products are not possible because this has mentioned only for this. Okay. So you can pick from storage type at any moment whenever it is needed. Okay, let's continue this process. Confirm as usual.
So though we have stock in GR zone also, can we pick this product from ST01?
We are coming to the scenario now.
Okay.
Let me complete this. Okay. This is completed. Come to monitor. Refresh it. Now we have 90 units in storage type. Now we have 90 units in storage type. So what are the scenarios we mentioned here? If there is no stock in storage type, stock is in GR zone. When delivery comes, system picks the product from GR zone. Case number 1. Case number 2 or business scenario 2. We have stock in GR zone. We have stock in storage type as well. And this product is maintained for cross-docking process. So when you receive delivery, system picks from GR zone for cross-docking process instead of picking storage type. That is business scenario 2. Business scenario 3. Business has sufficient stocks in warehouse. At this moment you received order from the customer. We no need to procure from the supplier. We can issue stock from the warehouse. That is what we have seen now. Okay. Now let's go to another scenario. I have a stock here and here I received delivery first. There is no stock in GR zone. Okay. After I received the delivery, of course I have stock into this place, and business doesn't want to issue stock from their warehouse. Based on this delivery, we procure stock. Based on this delivery, business will procure stock from the supplier and would like to issue stock from here to here, or would like to issue stock from GR zone only. Okay, let me do this. First I am creating order /n VA01. Save it. Create delivery as well. This is the delivery. Come to PRDO. Give the delivery number here. Execute. This is the document number. So, warehouse received outbound delivery order. Okay. Now, the stock is in storage type only. Now the stock is inside of the warehouse. But business doesn't want to issue stock from here. Whatever customer ordered, that they want to procure or purchase from the supplier, the same want to give it to the customer. Okay. Now I am going to create purchase order. So I am requesting ME21N. I am requesting supplier to supply the stock. This is called pull process. Save it. Create notification as well. Save it. This is the document number. Go to EWM. Here's PRDA transaction. Execute it. And now do the GR. Come to monitor. Refresh it. Now you have a stock in GR zone. and we received this stock against to sale order. If you receive stock against to sale order, that is called order-based procurement. If someone asks you, can we do order-based procurement in EWM? You have to say yes, that is this. Okay, of course, we are executing this process through cross-docking, and this is order-based. So order-based procurement is quite possible. Number one. Number two, we received delivery first and then we received stock later. We received outbound delivery first and then we received stock from the supplier later. Okay, so outbound delivery, this one is pulling stock from here. So this is called pull process. This is called pull process. And then this is also called opportunistic cross-docking. There is an opportunity to maintain, or there is opportunity to get stock from the supplier based on this delivery. This is called opportunistic. Okay. Anyway, let's continue whatever terminology it is. Let's continue the process. Okay. Now I'm going to PRDO. This is the doc. This is the document number. Execute it. Now I'm creating a warehouse document. Pick list. Click on create. Check from where it is picking. This is picking from GR zone only. First I received outbound delivery. First I received a request from the customer, and then by using this opportunity, instead of issuing stock from my warehouse, I procured stock from the supplier and issuing the same stock to the customer. Okay. So this is called opportunistic. This is called pull process, and this is called order-based procurement as well. Whatever term it is. Confirm. Confirm as well. Back and complete PGI. It's done. Check the monitor. I have 90 units as usual in storage type. There is no change. Okay.
So here we have maintained 9010 and the storage type in specify storage types as sequence level, right? So that is the one. Second thing, in material master level, we maintain the X1 storage type determination. So these two key parameters here to determine first always goes to the stock pickup from 9010.
Correct. But
Okay.
whatever you maintain in product master, when you are discussing about warehouse management, when you are discussing about extended warehouse management, you have to say product master. Don't say material master. Okay. If it is ERP, you have to say material master. If it is EWM, you have to say product master. If it is IS retail, you have to say it is article. Okay. If it is IS retail, At lower level of the product, you have to say merchandising category. If it is a manufacturing industry or if it is automobile industry, you have to say part. Okay. So these terminologies are very important while facing interviews. Suppose you put experience from BMW implementation. Okay, there you have to say always we received parts and we are issuing parts to customer and we are using parts for manufacturing, blah blah. Okay, for different industries, different terminologies are using for material. When you are using EW, is how to say product master. Okay, so in product master you mentioned stock determination to determine or to specifying or to differentiate product away from regular products. Okay, so where in which product you maintained that X1 or that stock determination indicator, that is for the material is applicable for cross stocking, which is not maintained cross determination indicator. So those materials are not applicable for cross stocking. So that is for their determination identification. And your answer is in strategies we mentioned 9010 is on first priority and ST01 is on second priority. I'm coming to there anyway. Go to SPRO, IMG.
No, there actually it's maintained both storage type.
Correct.
So we did not mention anywhere to pick up 9010 the first priority. So is that behind of this SAP logic to
No,
go for in this case?
we maintained. Let me show you. So this is my storage type set sequence, and here this is the sequence and this is the priority.
Okay.
Okay, so in this case system priority is this. System second priority is this. Whenever you maintain cross docking process, the sequence should be like this only. Okay, fine. Did I cover all? Did I cover all possible scenarios? Hopefully yes. No. Let me tell you one more. Suppose customer ordered some stock, and let me tell you here. Customer ordered some stock. At the same time, our inventory team also, or procurement team also, okay, says to our management, as per the demand, we need some more stock. From inventory team or procurement team also looking for 100 units for the product. Here 90 units are there. Our expectation in this month, in the month of April, due to some festivals, due to for something, maybe summer, for the summer, white colored clothes are more demand. So they may need more stock on this. Okay. So customer requires 10 units and our business required 100 units. Okay. So these 100 units you have to maintain in storage type. These 10 units you have to issue to the customer. If this is the scene. Okay. So what we do? First we got a order from customer. Actually, this knowledge will help you to discuss more with your business or whatever your business is. You can apply into it. Create delivery. Save it. Okay. Now, this is customer order, 10 units. And our inventory team also, our procurement team also, or the demand team also request for 100 units. Totally 110 units I required. Okay. First, we have delivery, right? Go to now I have outbound delivery. Okay. Now, as per business scenario, I am going to procure 110 units from the supplier /n ME21N. Hundred and ten. What I did? Purchase order. Yeah. Go to PRDA transaction. Create. Now do goods receipt. Goods receipt is completed. If you see monitor, You have 110 units in GR zone, 90 units in storage type, and our plan is 10 units would like to issue to the customer, 100 units I'm business required. That means it has to maintain a storage type. Okay, fine. Now come to PRDO transaction. Create warehouse task. Click on create. See, system is picking 10 units from GR zone as expected. Save it. And issue stock to the customer as well. Confirm. Do PGI. I'm just completing my process, that's all. Now come to monitor. Refresh it. In GR zone there are only 100 units. So this I have to, our business wants to move to bins, storage type. Now come to here. Create put a warehouse task from PRDI. Click on create. Say stock is going to storage type 1. Save it. And complete put away task. Now check the monitor. This is the one. Okay, fine. Next possible scenario. I would like to change picking priority. And let's see if it works or not. Under this, for this set, here I will maintain ST01 and here I will maintain 9010. Okay. If this is the case, what will happen? I am going to maintain some stock in GR zone. Save it. Create notification. Save it. This is the document number. Go to pay a DI transaction. Do GR. Now check in the monitor. Here is the monitor. Okay. /o/scwm monitor. And now you have stock in GR zone and stock in storage type 1. Suppose if you receive outbound delivery order now, come to here, create. I am going to, okay, no confusion. Create sell order. If you observe here, for all these scenarios, configurations are the same. Only thing, our ideology. Only thing, how we are using in this process. Create delivery as well. Maintain. Save it. This is delivery number. Now come to pair DO transaction. As usual, maintain it. Now create warehouse document pick list. Create. From where it is picking? GR zone only.
So that mean there is a, I mean, code has been maintained. SAP should have picked up 9010 in case of crosstalk.
That is bad.
Yeah, the very correct.
Okay. This is the one. Fine. Let me complete it. Save it. It is already saved. And confirm it. So system is behaving like this. Suppose if your business wants to pick the product from storage type. Let me tell you the scenario. Okay, let me tell you like this. Oh, oh. Your warehouse has stock 90 units and customer raised request for 100 units. I have 90. Customer order is 100. There is a gap for 10. Suppose if you want to procure only 10 units, issue stock 90 units from here, from the storage type, and 10 units from GR zone. Will it possible? No. Try to do this. /n VA01. Hundred units. Create delivery. Save it. And come to EWM. So I have a document, open document for 100 units. I have a open outbound delivery document for 100 units. Of course, in this example, I have so much quantity. For example, I have only 90 units, or warehouse storage type has only 90 units. Just for example. Okay, 10 units I am procuring from the supplier. Ten units. Save it. Save it. So there is a document for 10 units. Do goods receipt. Okay. Go to the monitor. Check now. 10 units in a GR zone. Suppose 90 units from here. Okay. Now I'm going to execute outbound delivery. This is outbound delivery. Outbound delivery is for 100 units. When I'm trying to create warehouse task, click on create. See what is happening here. First 10 units from GR zone and remaining 90 units from storage type 1. Okay, so this is quite possible.
So here, removal strategy while picking the stock from the storage type, logic is the same like last in LIFO, whatever we maintain
Yeah.
LIFO.
Whether it is
Okay.
first in, first out, or last in, first out, and that remains same. That will not
No.
get changed. Okay, save it and do confirmation process. Do PCI as well. Check the monitor. Here is the one. Okay, for 5 minutes. Last scenario. We are following opportunity cross docking only. Customer ordered 10 units. For this, we are procuring stock 10 units. So in this case, as usual, cross docking will happen GR to GI. Okay, but we received damaged stock. Okay, we need to issue stock 10 units. Okay, for this we requested supplier and supplier supplied it. Somehow the stock is not good. Can we issue stock can we issue this stock to customer? No. So what you have to do here, you have to give stock from storage type. Okay, if this is the case, I will explain it. Just give me a minute. Yeah, I'm back. My point is, we have a outbound delivery. This may be 10 units or more than that, whatever quantity is. Quantity is not a matter. Okay, save it. Save it. We have order now. Okay. Against to this sale order, against to this requirement, against to the demand, we are trying to procure stock. /o me21n. Ten units. Save it. Create VL31N. Save it. This is the document number. Okay, do GR. Check the monitor. We have stock 10 units in GR zone as well. And we have a delivery. Now, if I execute this, system will pick stock from GR zone as per program, no doubt. But after completion of GR, management or warehouse user identified that these 10 units, whatever you received, that is not in good condition. Will you issue this stock to customer? No. What we do now? And the system know whether you received damaged stock or not, or whether you received good stock or not? Definitely doesn't know. If you say something to system, system will follow. Otherwise, system doesn't know. It is not almighty. Here, almighty is you only. Consultant is almighty for the process. Okay. So, either warehouse user or consultant knows what exactly physically happens. What exactly physically happens, SAP doesn't know or system doesn't know. And then Who has to take the decision from where the stock has to be picked? User. Okay. So in this case, what user will do? Come to outbound delivery. While creating a warehouse task, when you click on create, it shows you pick the stock from GR zone, and warehouse management knows that whatever the stock in GR zone is not in good quality, is not in good condition, or it may be damaged stock. Okay, here you have to take manual decision. So instead of GR zone, you can modify it ST01, and what is the bin? Let me pick from this bin. Okay, give the bin number here, hit enter. Storage type does not allow negative stock figures. Storage bin is not assigned to 0001. I am trying to create it. Okay, don't do this. Don't save. Outbound delivery, warehouse task. Come to default values here. I'll maintain source bin into this place. And this one has some stock. Now come to here, maintain the bin, hit enter, come to warehouse task. Now click on create. See, instead of picking some other storage from GR zone, I am picking from storage type. Save it. It's confirmed. So if this is the case, SAP cannot do anything, because whether you received right stock or not, whether you received right quality or not, whether you received damaged or not, or some other reason, SAP doesn't know until unless you send it to quality inspection, correct? Or deconsolidation process. What is cross-docking? If you pick the stock from GR zone and issue to the customer, that is called cross-docking. So when stock is here, I have to decide whether you issue stock to customer or not. If stock is here, you can see and you cannot say anything to the system. If you want to say about quality, you should send this stock to quality inspection center. Now, where is the stock? Inside of the warehouse. If the stock is inside of the warehouse and issue stock to the customer, will it be cross-docking? No. So, if you are moving this stock to inside of the warehouse for deconsolidation, for packing, for quality inspection, that process is not called cross-docking. So, if the stock is in GR zone, if it is not in good condition, warehouse user has to take the decision whether he can issue stock from here or from this storage type if it is available. That's the reason here you have to take manual decision. Okay guys, this is final scenario. Any question? Here the configurations are simple, very few configurations, but coming to business, huge impact is there. Okay, so I explained you almost 9 scenarios here. Maybe you can assume more than this also. Okay, and just apply logic and work it on. That's it. Any question? All right. Fine then. What is today? Today is Friday. 1 second. Stay online. Tomorrow is Saturday. I would like to take class tomorrow, but at 10:30 a.m. Is it okay for all? I won't be available morning time.
So it will be 12 p.m. for me.
Okay, I understand. Okay, so tomorrow we don't have class. Sunday we will have class, same time, 8 o'clock. Okay, Sunday at 8 a.m. That is fine, right?
Thank you.
Yeah, tomorrow we don't have class. Sunday we'll have class at 8. Thank you all. Sorry.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, Siva.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
12 p.m.